seeing as I'm at home, I thought I'd do a little vlog. Week in life, few days in my life, not really sure yet. But I can assure you, these are going to be more interesting than my weekend life at uni. It doesn't feel like a weekend when I'm at uni. There's nothing going on. I'm starting this on a Friday. I actually cannot catch a break, illness-wise. But I went to the gym last week. I thought I'm going to get back into it. Woke up the next day. Most painful throat. Chest was in agony again. So I'm retiring from the gym for the meantime. Anyway, the house is quite chaotic at the minute. We have, my brother has come to stay with his new baby and his fiance and Auntie Lara. Auntie Lara has stepped in. And then Aiden is also staying for a few days. But I'm just doing like a station, guys, because the grind don't stop. We also have 3 dogs in the mix. Thing 1, say hi, Brady, hello. Thing 2, where's your head? Thing 2, bombastic side eye. Oh, mouse. And finally, last but not least, Otis, come and say hi. He's so antisocial, isn't he, bro? Brady, falling asleep with his eyes. Bless you. Otis. Hi. Hello. Hello. You are so beautiful. You are so beautiful. So yeah, anyway, what I'm trying to say is the house is chaos. Pretty much. I can't complain. It's just lovely being home. Honestly, 3 dogs by my side whilst writing my dissertation. What could I want? Really sure what's on the cards, but I think me and Aiden might make a mini egg cheesecake today. We made mini egg cookies last week. I just want to get all the bacon out of my system. I love Easter baking. I make a mini egg cheesecake every year. Oh my gosh, what I've not made yet this year, you know those cornflake nest cakes? I love them. They're so simple but so good. I might have to make them at some point as well. Would the sun please just make an appearance? Anyway, back to work. Alexa, play. Let's start with the time lapse. Why not? Actually, this is quite a distraction. Yay! Look at you! You guys are so cool. GP's calling, GP's calling. No, I just answered. I just answered, and it says missed call. Are you serious? Guys, I've had it up to here with GP practices. What the hell?
There's the lambs.
Where?
The lambs are laughing.
Oh, you need a mic.
You do need a mic.
Me and Aiden have come, say hi. We've come to see the horses and the lambs. That's a nice wholesome activity, isn't it? In our wellies.
Oh.
Aiden's got a bad leg, in case you haven't heard him talk about it a million times. Aiden, you know one of those horses is blind. Oh my god. I'm really excited to see the lambs. Oh, can we not get much closer to the lambs though? Oh look! Hey buddy! What?
Hey, it's Cheltenham.
Stop saying cuss words, guys. Oh look, Aiden! What a lovely day. There it is, there it is. God, this is like some sort of country file program. And I'm gonna cut loose. Take a guess.
All the way in, all of it now, just bits.
All the way. Just all of it. And mix it with a big spoon. Oh, was that a joke? Guess what we're making? Wait, the best part.
Big spoon.
Maybe in the cutlery drawer. Oh wait, I said guess what we're making. I think I literally said in the intro what I'm making. As in Texas.
Hey, it's strong. You didn't even like it either.
Don't. Oh, mysterious. Aiden.
Ruby, hello.
Icing sugar 100 grams.
$100.
MTM.
Have you seen that girl?
Have you seen that girl? It's like
That girl, that girlfriend. Where's the cashews?
Shut up!
No, I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
Yes.
I forget. How much? Ready?
Careful, please, please. Closer, 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 closer. Why? Stop, stop. There we go.
That was pretty good.
Okay. Oh,
Say hello to my little friend. Scarface. You ever get it? You ever seen Scarface? Let's get this in slow motion.
Oh my god. Sorry, that. Oh my god, wow.
Your SD card's full. That gonna be your
Oh no.
Yeah.
That was so unattractive.
You're always attractive. Delete.
Fine guys, it doesn't mean it anyway.
Yeah, I do.
Delete. You got some? Because there's none left. Because we're young and we're reckless. We're young and we're reckless. You're singing on camera, it's too shy. Well done. Damn it. Last minute.
The surgery was
Friday. Is it Friday night? Yeah.
The test on
No. Yeah.
What
the hell?
Wait, shush.
The medical team therefore advised that I should undergo a course of preventative chemotherapy, and I'm now in the early stages of that treatment.
She's got cancer now.
Did we know that?
No.
This, of course, came as a huge shock.
Last minute decided we're going to go for a drink.
Take two. Oh, I did this one.
Take three.
Let's take four.
Yes. Basically, I want an Aperol Spritz.
Sunset's giving that girl vibes.
Basically, guys, you know my dissertation and Aiden, no boys know what it is. Actually, I think some boys do. There's that boy. There's that boy. Anyway, doing my dissertation on that girl. That's interested. That girl tried. I bet 90% of people watching this know what that is.
Tricep touchdown and a bicep curl. Pretty good, I feel really pumped up. Had a good session, a lot of effort went into it. We did 2 hours a week on a leg session. Really focus on the
Guys, I'm wearing the top I got from TikTok shop. From TikTok shop, Hayden. Really manifesting summer. Sorry? Yeah, I forgot to vlog. Halfway through eating some meatballs. Actually, it doesn't look that nice on camera. Mushrooms and bread, because Italian style. What's on my plate? Oh yeah, bruschetta. And of course an Aperol Spritz to help with the throat. And Aiden got a pepperoni. It's his night off.
She messed up the booking for the people sat on the front.
Good morning, guys. It's the next day. The sun is shining. I don't think it's going to be out for long at all, but we have some blue skies. I would actually really love to go and sit on that decking right now. The garden really is a sun trap. Anyway, can't lie, I am in excruciating pain. I'm not even being dramatic. It feels like I have a rock in my throat every time I swallow. Should I have drank that Aperol Spritz last night? Definitely not, but you can't stop me with those Aperol Spritz. Oh. Anyway, we also need to decorate the cheesecake. The sounds of the farm. Cutting certainly to my breakfast. Just feels like supper, really. I'm eating my fuel granola. The best granola to ever exist. If you haven't tried it, you need to try it. Also with oat milk, obviously. Oat milk with cereal. Sorry. I never go back to normal. Got a nice little morning melody going on.
I wanna tell you everything, words I never got to say.
When we were children playing in this hotel,
And you there for you.
if the whole world was watching, I'd still dance with you. Highways and byways. Guys, we just went for a lovely dog walk and I forgot the camera. I forgot to take the camera, so apologies. Yeah, no. Let's concentrate on the driving, shall we? Finished result.
Is it better than the
Great British Bake Off. Some that my chop. Yes. Well, we don't know yet. That grab. Hello, Robin. Who bought you that jumper?
do that and then go.
Robin, who bought you that jumper? I remember showing this jumper in a video.
It's cute, isn't it?
And now it's on you.
And
Go on then, walk.
Trousers are nice.
Who's that?
Sorry, was that yours?
Hello. Ready, walk. Brody, who is it? No, he's scared. Is he scared? Brody, who's that? Chaos. Don't mind me, just auntie duties. Is that you? Who's that? Oh, Robin, I'm your favourite auntie ever, okay? Remember that. Remember that. Don't ever forget it. Okay, mission, make him smile. Oh no, mission failed. Have you both got socks in your mouth? What have you got? You're the sock thieves. Hey guys, we've skipped to Friday. It's Good Friday today. Don't know if you can tell, but I have a cold, genuinely. One thing after the other. Yeah, I sound lovely and congested, it's just what I wanted for Easter, to be honest, so I'm quite happy about that. Yeah, to be honest, I've not really done a lot this week other than be ill. I also went shopping yesterday actually. I bought way too many clothes, but whole video coming soon. I got really cute things and I can't wait to show you. Anyway, I'm actually not at home for Easter Sunday, so I've just come downstairs and seen a little gift for me. How cute. The flowers, little jelly cat, which this is my first ever jelly cat. I've never had one before. How cute. I actually love. And then, oh my goodness. Sorry, who else gets money in their Easter egg? Because that's new. Okay, let's open. I actually love cards. I know some people feel like they're pointless, but it's lovely. Happy Easter, Laura, and good luck with your dissertation. You're on the home run and we're very proud, Mum and Dad. Oh, that is so cute. Anyway, I also have actually done my little Easter shop. Some goodies in here. I actually opted for this for my mum because she said not to worry about getting her an Easter egg. I know she loves a pot of rosé, so that's what I've got my mum. And then I just got this salted caramel one for my dad. I actually don't know if he likes salted caramel, so that could be a problem. And then there's just some little ones for all the other people in my life. Okay, I'm gonna go give them to my parents. Oh. No, I thought Dad was in there. Happy Easter.
Oh, Laura! Oh no, you didn't need to do that. Oh, thank you so much. That's my favourite. Oh, cheersies. Should be drinking that later.
No worries.
Oh, that's so sweet of you. Thank you,
I
Laura.
thought your dad said brought in his Easter egg.
Thank you so much.
It's okay.
Perfect.
Happy Easter.
Me? Oh, thank you. Oh, lovely.
Do you like salted caramel?
Yeah, right.
For you. Guys, I forgot to finish the vlog, so I'm finishing it now. It's technically I didn't forget to finish the vlog. It's the end. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I hope everyone has a lovely Easter.
Everyone had a lovely Easter because it's
Hey,
full.
no, it's out on Easter Sunday. So if you're watching today, then what you're doing should be enjoying your Sunday. Okay, goodbye. Love you. Bye.